How to exit group in Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook Lite, and once you do that, go to the group that you want to leave. Say for example this one right here. Once you are there, you will see the joined button under the group name, and it has a drop down, so click on it, and from the pop-up menu list at the bottom, click on leave group, and you will get a confirmation box that asks you, well, are you sure you want to leave? And it will tell you what will happen when you leave the group. Click on leave to confirm, and once you do that, you will exit the group. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can leave Facebook groups in the Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.